Today, I'd like to share my experience with germinating dragon fruit seeds. I bought a dragon fruit, and inside, there were these little things that look like sesame seeds. These are the seeds of the dragon fruit. After cutting open the dragon fruit, I squeezed the flesh directly onto a wet tissue, then wrapped it up, and squeezed hard to extract the moisture. It looked something like this, doesn't it? I directly sowed the dragon fruit seeds into a pot. I was worried they might not sprout, so I scattered them quite densely. Then, they started sprouting. By the third day, on the fifth day, like a bountiful harvest. But after my careful nurturing, they all rotted. I think the soil wasn't draining well, which caused the roots to rot. I bought another dragon fruit. This time, I used tweezers to extract the seeds. I've learned my lesson now. Well-draining nutrient soil. I carefully planted the cleaned dragon fruit seeds into the soil, then covered them with plastic wrap to keep them warm and help with germination. By the third day, I opened it up and checked, and finally, the little sprouts were yellow. By the fifth day, the color had turned green. By the eighth day, the seed leaves had fully unfolded.